Yeah. So let's talk about more about match rule related information because it's the one of the most important part in MDM tool, any kind of MDM, definitely RELTIO MDM also. So what I do, I will first go through the details of some match rule, and then I have divided into three sections. One is the simply match rule, second is complex, and third was very complex. So it will be helpful for any hands-on experience if someone writes his project related part, then it will be very helpful. So see, when we're talking about any match rule, so I need to first define any of the rule. Define, say it can be any name, and two things you need to consider. One is suspect, another is exact. These two parties given, suspect and exact. Okay, exact mean is fully matched, and suspect means is finding some suspect means it's equal like that. So two type of match, one is exact also and fuzzy match also there. See here their address and name both are combined together. So see the state, city and address line one, and these are the part of the address and name is a organization name. It is showing here. Okay. So in state it is showing that exact value of the state between the two records. City also exact with the between the two records, and address line one is fuzzy means it's not exact. It can be equivalent like that. So this is the one combination plus name. This two combination is creating a one rule. That is suspect rule. It is created. If I moving around in right hand side, see there is no other part is there. See rule is cover a fuzzy name. Why it is fuzzy name? Because see in the name of the organization it is type is fuzzy matching. That's why it's fuzzy. And here organization name is there, not individual. Okay. So this is the combination. Similarly for dance number or any kind of number, it is generally exact match. So that's why it is always exact. And this particular part, that exact match token and basic string operator, or these are the class. These are the actually Java class. Here at this line, comparator. These are the Java class created by the RELTIO MDM developer developer, and they using that particular class actually two record are comparison is done using matching tool. Similarly, see this the another rule for address here, city, address line one, name, all are exact. And if I go right side, see not only city state, it also come up with country, postal code, address line 2, Jeep, all are exact. And address line 1 also exact, as well as the all null means null also accepted. So see the more complexity is increasing. Address here we talk about fully address. See this particular rule is totally address related complexity. No other attributes. So see check some attributes can be ignored in the token and generate the address related part. For entity URI, I hope you all get the information about entity URI. It is a one of the main important part of the any L3 configuration or a non configuration. So it is always unique. So it may always consider exact, otherwise not null like that. See that exact URI is the exact. There is another part for the address here. Address state also part of that, and dance number also exact, otherwise null consideration. So as per business requirement, we are actually choosing the complexity. Someone say I need address and name together. Someone say I need address, name, and dance number all three together. Someone says no, I want exact for all. So based on the combination as well as the data from the different type of source, and using that concept actually we are considering the requirement, changing the requirement. See, this is the location related entity here. See, auto match is there, so address line 2 1 state chip country city means within the location activity they are creating this exact match, except the address line 2 all are exact, only address line 2 have a null also. Similarly, contact entity, contact can be person also. So see, their first name is the exact, first name and last name is the exact, but Phaji is the organization. See, so first name and these are the last name. These are the exact. And this is the Phaji. Similarly, see that email also they are adding email also because they consider that input will be coming email also. Course related part, course name is always unique, so it is an always exact. Employees that you know that first name, last name, and their email address generally unique. So always exact or null. There is no concept of fuzzy. Generally, put it. Similarly, for that other cases, that this is a relative specific fuzzy name, fuzzy employee possible means let's say first name. Someone have a first name, common first name is possible, common surname also possible, but combination of employment name and last name is also helpful to get some find out someone. Similarly, the deployment, subscription, these are we can say multiple entity we can possible, base package also possible. Okay, so these all are the combination of the multiple part. Okay, let's move to the some simple section. Just give me 1 second. Yeah. So this is the very simple rules. Okay. So here see only address related are considered. Already I shared in the previous section that auto march and suspect. So address line 1, state, country, and chip and city. These are the exact part. So exact means always auto match. But in the address line 2 is some case time it can extract or some case it is also null considered. So it can say the suspect also possible. Further say the individual section. So individual section if we know people are using phone number, so exact phone number we can consider as a match, and exact email also possible. It also possible combination of phone and email. Maybe combination both are exact is possible. Let's say I have a email but I have a multiple phone number. Similarly, I have a one email, one phone number, multiple email. So that combination is possible. If you want that in the phone number cases or date of birth cases, we are generally consider that some of the number may be X may be not part of the match token. So you have to write in this way to ignore those number. Let's say phone number starting with 00 is not acceptable. So such kind of possibility is there. So not only that phone number and email is the exact match, you can put one is suspect, another is auto match. Is possible. Let's say phone number is a auto match, then email we can say that suspect. Similarly, email can be auto match and phone number can be suspect. That is possible. Okay, this is a very simple rule we can define in our configuration. Now come with complex. Complex, when we say complex, it is a more number of attributes are participated, more than one or two attributes participated in the rule, and multiple of exact fuzzy combination. I already shared this part in the one of the section. See, these are the complexity, more complex is coming. Fuzzy, exact combination, location I also informed. See, this part also is the more complexity is coming. If we go more very complexities, see then requirement is like that I need some only address line 1 name and city and this combination, and but I am not sure that I am getting full name from exact name from the source system, so I need to follow the fuzzy rule. Similarly, address cases also I am not getting properly, information, so fuzzy. So here is a combination is fuzzy of name and address line one, and that city, because I am not getting any other information from the source system, so I need to consider this section. So this is definitely a very complex scenarios, and if I go or move on, definitely it will become more information. See, for the contract related employment or contract related entity, you also get a similar kind of combination. So based on your requirement, it can be be move on or extra activity will be added, but exact or fuzzy, this is the common, and the auto or suspect, these are the common. So based on your requirement, you can move on. So I will be add all those, this all are PDF file in this particular section, so you can get download it and go to it as per your requirement. Okay. Let's move to the next section.